Hey friends, welcome back to Practice English Easily. I'm Jeet and this is day 3 of our amazing English journey. Today, you'll learn 100 action-based English sentences. These are everyday things we all do, and now you'll learn how to talk about them in clear, fluent English. So get ready to repeat with me, speak loud and build your confidence one action at a time. Let's begin. Section 1. Morning Routine Actions. Let's start with what we do every morning. I wake up at 6 every day. I stretch my body after waking up. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I take a quick shower before work. I dry my hair with a towel. I comb my hair neatly. I get dressed for the day. I prepare a simple breakfast. I drink a glass of warm water. I eat toast and eggs for breakfast. I check my phone for messages. I pack my lunch before leaving. I wear my shoes and grab my keys. I lock the door before heading out. I wait at the bus stop. I board the bus and find a seat. I listen to music while traveling. I reach work at 9 a.m. I start my day with a smile. Repeat these aloud. Speaking creates fluency. Section 2. Office or school actions. Now let's talk about work or school related actions. I check my emails first thing in the morning. I write down my to-do list. I join the morning meeting. I take notes during the discussion. I ask questions when I'm confused. I send important documents by email. I work on the new project. I help my teammates with their tasks. I take a short coffee break. I type reports on my laptop. I talk to my manager about the updates. I answer calls from clients. I schedule meetings for the afternoon. I explain my ideas to the team. I make changes to the presentation. I read articles related to my work. I eat lunch with my colleagues. I solve problems step by step. I complete my work before deadline. I shut down my system before leaving. These actions are great for your professional vocabulary. Section 3. Daily life at home. Next, here are common actions we all do at home. I unlock the door when I get home. I change into comfortable clothes. I wash my hands before eating. I warm up food in the microwave. I serve dinner on the table. I talk to my family during meals. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I put the dishes in the sink. Section 4. Going out and shopping. Here are actions for going out, shopping, and more. I go to the market every weekend. I make a list before shopping. I carry a reusable bag with me. I check prices carefully. I ask the shopkeeper for help. I try on clothes in a fitting room. I look for offers and discounts. I pay the bill at the counter. I use my debit card to pay. I wait in line for my turn. I pick up fresh vegetables. I check the expiry date on products. I count the change after paying. I buy fruits and snacks for home. I carry the shopping bags myself. I thank the cashier politely. I stop for a coffee on the way. I cross the road at a zebra crossing. I take a cab back home. I unload the bags after reaching. Learn these to feel more confident outside. Section 5. Social and Digital Life. Sentences 81 to 100. Finally, let's talk about social and digital actions. I meet my friends on weekends. I plan movie nights with my group. I take photos during outings. I post pictures on social media. I scroll through my Instagram feed. I reply to comments on my posts. I record short videos for fun. I watch tutorials on YouTube. I attend online classes regularly. I download useful apps. I send memes to my friends. I check notifications every hour. I charge my phone before sleeping. I update my profile picture. I video call my cousins abroad. I join live sessions to learn. I follow new creators for ideas. I comment on interesting videos. I bookmark useful articles. I log out before going to bed. In today's world, digital actions are a big part of life. Speak about them too. That's it, my friends. You've just learned 100 action-based English sentences. And these are the real sentences people use every single day. Repeat them. Use them. Speak them. Because the more you speak, the faster you learn. Tell me in the comments which sentence was new for you. And if you're enjoying this daily series, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon to never miss day 4, where we'll learn even more powerful English. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep shining. This is Jeet, signing off. See you in the next video.